Everybody hit that like for Miss D.Chanel, man. And I'm Quan or whatever, you know, but together we are the D.Chanel and Quan show. So with that being said, man, today we back with another banger. We finna drop a Burro.
Yeah, banana nut muffins.
And that's what it is. So the first steps today, what we gonna do?
Okay, so first you're gonna preheat your oven to 400.
Oh, honey.
And while that's doing that, you're gonna go ahead and get your dry ingredients.
Okay.
So your flour.
Move it to the side. But you go get all your room. You know what
Flour.
That fly.
And your date sugar.
Okay.
Alright. And then you're just gonna mix it together.
Mix that thing together. So while Miss D.Chanel is doing that, we finna move to the next step. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you get another bowl, a slight bit bigger than the last bowl. You know what I'm saying? And now we finna, ooh, you got that thing looking good right there. How it smell?
Like flour.
Does it?
Mm-hmm.
So next we finna put all the wet ingredients into this bowl. You know what I'm saying? But before you do that, you gotta throw in your Burro bananas. So you
Make sure it's mashed.
Mashed. Alright. Then after you do that, we're gonna put all of the wet ingredients inside the bowl.
So your milk, your oil, and your lime juice.
Wet ingredients are up in here. You know what I'm saying? Now you gotta whisk it. Why I be saying whisk so hard? It's something about that word. Ain't it supposed to go like this, bro?
You gotta whisk. What you doing? Stirring.
How
Whisk it.
How you whisk? I was doing that.
You was doing this. You gotta whisk.
You gotta whisk it, y'all.
Look at the arm.
Look at the flick of the wrist.
Like the arm.
Look at the flick of the wrist. Okay, I get it.
Something like that.
Something like that. Guys. Okay.
And then you're gonna put in your dry mixtures.
We're gonna put in the dry mixtures. You know what I'm saying? Where you like that too. You gotta let them know who run the show.
Who run it, Quan? Who run it?
Quan do.
Who run it?
Hey, D.Chanel. It's the D.Chanel show. You feel me? You feel me? Now what's next, man?
You know what? Whiskey.
Whiskey again? I told you.
Alright, so it should look like this. Then you're gonna fold in your chopped walnuts and your chopped up bananas.
Bam!
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 So like this, fold them in. And next, get your little muffin tray. Your muffin cups. You spoon in the mixture into your cups.
Spoon. Now you know how to spoon.
So far.
Pressure. Okay.
So then you're gonna put it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes.
Let's get
Alright, you guys, so it's been about 15, 16, 17 minutes. And this is what it's looking like.
That's what it's looking
fresh out the oven.
Yep.
Alright, so hey, you wanna go ahead and plate these babies?
Eyes ready to taste these.
Taste these.
You ready to taste these?
Taste these. Which one you want?
Which one you want, man? They all the same.
They're all unique in their own way. You want to share?
Oh no, you get your own.
Don't you like sharing with me?
I'm just playing. It's hot right now. Ooh, hot.
He hot.
He hot.
He hot.
He real hot. Honey. It's hot.
Let's eat it together.
But it's hot. It's real hot.
Don't you like it hot?
The whole banana came out the bottom of that thing. The whole banana came out the bottom of that thing.
Put it back in there.
It can't. It's gone.
About what they say, need silicone. Paper, take it right on out.
Nah, I ain't gonna do anything. Come on, bro.
Like you a few?
Come on, it's hot.
It's not hot.
Tastes like banana bread, don't it?
Dry.
Tastes like banana bread, don't it?
Like a healthy version of banana bread. It's not sweet.
It tastes sweet to me. Tastes like banana bread to me. It tastes exactly like banana bread to me.
You need some water or something after this.
It tastes exactly like banana bread to me.
It's cool.
It's cool, you don't like it?
Not really.
Scale from 1 to 10, what would you give?
Maybe a 6.
Why 6?
I'm not.
For me,
it's not that sweet to me.
For the banana bread lovers, to me it tastes like banana bread. So I think, I ain't gonna say it hit it exactly on, but it's comparable. Yeah, it's comparable to a banana bread. So to the banana bread lovers, you would say this is a 9.5, 10. You know what I'm saying?
And I can't really taste the walnuts either.
I'm chewing it right now.
I ain't chewing that.
But with that being said, man, don't go by our opinions, you know what I'm saying? If it look good, if you are a banana bread lover, banana muffin lover, and you on your alkaline diet, this is gonna go right up your alley easy. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and jump down in that comment section, because this is the D.Chanel and Quan show, and we are.